In this quick guide, I'll show you how to connect WooCommerce to N8N to automate your e-commerce workflows. Start by opening N8N and heading to the Credentials section. Click Create New and select WooCommerce. You'll need three things: your WooCommerce store URL, consumer key, and consumer secret. These are found in your WooCommerce API settings and act like a username and password for integrations. Enter these details carefully in N8N and double check for accuracy. If you run into authentication issues, enable the Include Credentials in Query option. This ensures your keys are passed correctly. Once saved, your WooCommerce store is now linked to N8N, ready to automate tasks like syncing orders, managing products, or updating inventory. And that's it. WooCommerce is now connected, letting you streamline your e-commerce operations with ease.